Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw diagrams in Obsidian using Mermaid code. So this is helpful when you want to turn simple information into a clear visual directly inside your notes. So start by opening Obsidian and creating a new role. So next, type 3 backsticks using the backtick key on your keyboard. And after the backticks, type the word mermaid, then press enter. So this tells Obsidian that you want to create a visual diagram, and then you can try different mermaid codes depending on the type of diagram that you want to create. But for this example, I'm going to use the following code and make a simple pie chart. So the first line creates the pie chart here and gives it the title users. So the next two lines add the desktop and laptop sections along with their values. So once the code is ready, switch the node to preview or reading mode. And then Obsidian will automatically turn the code into a pie chart. And then you can change the names and numbers to create a different result or search for other mermaid codes to make different types of diagrams. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.